is the world first, dual core, dual channel, dual memory architecture smartphone. So this tri-dual architecture is making the LG Optimus 3D a truly super fun. I mean, it's unparalleled performance compared to other devices in the market. But don't take my word for granted on this. I mean, of course you can go and visit our LG booth after the press event and see by yourselves. When you go to the booth, there's quite a few demo cases where you can prove the performance. But the best way to actually demonstrate the super performance of this device is by utilizing one of the most commonly accepted performance tests, which is the quadrant benchmark test. And as you can see, not only LG Optimus 3D excels compared to any other competitive device that is currently available in the market, but I think this is a proof of its super performance and impressive in speed. What we have prepared as well is another demo scenario for you to see. In this case, we're comparing the LG Optimus 3D with a competitive device when they're trying to download a resource-intensive website which contains quite a few high-quality pictures. In this case, we've chosen Sky Sports as one example. And as you can see, the LG Optimus 3D is already finished and is significantly faster than its competitor, which is still thinking about loading the page. So basically the LG Optimus 3D is not only a technology leap, it's also providing tangible consumer benefits to, when it comes to faster web browsing, when it comes to enjoying multimedia for longer, and most importantly, to enable a full 3D proposition to devices, thanks to this tri-dual architecture. So, I think we've talked enough about the performance aspect of this device and its dual core, dual channel, dual memory architecture. This is why we call the device Optimus 3D with these 3Ds, but this is not the only reason. The other reason is because it's got a full 3D proposition. So you're able to record, view, and share 3D content. So what I'm going to show you now is a few use cases of how a 3D-enabled device can actually enhance consumers' lives. Let's have a look, and then we'll continue the discussion.
From A&B Motors.
Thanks for coming by in person.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Well, I've got something for clients who are too busy to visit the showroom. This is the new 2011 D300.
Wow, it's so realistic in 3D. Can I see other models?
Sure. Take your time. We've got cars in various styles and sizes.
I like this one. It's got a great design.
Oh, that's a great choice. I'll drop the contract then. 3D. It's better for real.
I can't understand how it's done just by watching it on TV. All right. Let me check out Optimus 3D. Oh, so this is how it's done. Oh, okay. So I put my arm like this. Wow!
Some of these use cases might seem a bit futuristic, they're not very real, but the reality is actually with the LG Optimus 3D, this is no longer just an idea. So before we explain the 3D technology and the innovation that LG has brought to the mobile industry with this device, let me just make a quick reflection about what does 3D mean to you? So, and most importantly, what does 3D mean in a mobile environment? Yeah. So I think for most of the people in this audience, one of our best or the first 3D experience has been in a movie theater, watching a blockbuster movie like Avatar. By the way, Avatar was sponsored by LG Mobile globally. I think the key question is, how can we bring this breakthrough innovation in a smartphone? And how can we overcome the drawbacks that, the perceived drawbacks of 3D, so that consumers can take the 3D content with them anywhere, anytime? So, the first point is definitely getting rid of those glasses. I mean, those glasses are not really the most comfortable thing in the world, and consumers are not going to carry those with them when they are on the go. So LG, as an innovator and a proven innovator in the display technology, has done it once again with the LG Optimus 3D. So we are introducing the world's first auto-stereoscopic 3D screen, which enables consumers to watch 3D content without the need of glasses. The second point, of course, is self-created content is paramount to contribute to the creation of the 3D mobile industry, to reach a critical mass of 3D content. So, what LG Optimus 3D introduces is the possibility to record 3D thanks to its two 5-megapixel cameras in the back. Of course, 5-megapixel camera is just not enough. The dual-core, dual-channel memory architecture has enabled the task optimization solution to enable 2D to 3D conversion. When people are recording in 3D, the LG Optimus 3D introduces a real-time adjustment proprietary technology which enables consumers to watch in 3D simultaneously what they're recording. So they're able to control the 3D depth through a very simple user interface scenario, and they are satisfied with what they're recording as well. Obviously, this is half of the story if you can only keep those 3D content for yourself, so the sharing aspect is key as well. And the device is able to communicate and to share that content either via an HDMI 1.4 interface with a 3D TV, or wirelessly with a DLNA-enabled device. But regarding the entire content ecosystem, we believe the LG Optimus 3D will act as a catalyst to create a 3D mobile industry. So the fact that consumers can actually record their own 3D content will create an abundance of this content, which will stimulate content providers and operators to distribute this content across multiple devices, which in turn will increase the demand for this 3D technology in the space. What I would like to introduce to you today as well is a strategic partnership we have secured with YouTube, so that our consumers can seamlessly upload 3D content from their device directly to the YouTube 3D channel with one click. And they can also watch the content that is being uploaded by others in the dedicated YouTube 3D client in the device. What I would like to do now is to introduce to you Mr. Francisco Varela, who is the head of platforms at YouTube 3D, who's going to talk to us about what is the meaning of this strategic partnership for YouTube and for LG. So thank you very much.